In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the gallery block on Squarespace. First, sign into your Squarespace site and open your website dashboard. Head to Pages so you can pick where the gallery will live. Choose the page you want, then enter Edit mode. You'll see the page outline. Look for the option to add a new section and select it. In the section library, open the Images category. This is where the gallery layouts live. Choose a layout you like to drop a gallery section onto your page. With the section on the canvas, open Edit section to make it yours. Many gallery layouts include quick size controls like S, M, and L. Click through these to preview different spacing and image scales. S tends to be tighter, L is more spacious, and M sits in the middle. As you explore, you may notice highlight toggles and layout options that adjust the number of columns, cropping, and caption styles. Use these controls to dial in the look that matches your brand. Next, go to Background. Here you can set a backdrop for the section. You can keep it simple with image, go bold with video, or choose built-in art. Decide whether the section is full bleed for an edge-to-edge feel or inset for comfortable margins. Then open Colors to apply the section's color theme so your text and overlays remain readable. If you want to switch gallery formats, use View Layouts to browse alternatives, or pick Image to manage the content inside the gallery. This is where you add your images and refine their order. For site-wide polish, open Site Styles from the Editor toolbar. Review fonts and colors to ensure your gallery typography and palette match the rest of your site. Then close Site Styles to return to the page. Back in the section, open the Design settings. Here you can choose how images fit inside their frames. Fit preserves the entire image. Fill crops to create a consistent grid, and Shape adds stylistic masks when available. Pick the option that best suits your photos. When your gallery looks right, return to the section's image area if needed to finalize your selections. Finally, save your changes. Your gallery block is now active on your page, ready for visitors to browse. That's all there is to accessing and configuring a gallery in Squarespace. Thanks for watching,